You love your dogs, and your dogs love the outdoors, but that can make a big mess inside your car, or even worse, in your home. Muddy paws, soaking wet fur, and lots of shedding. Well, zip up that mess inside the all-new Dirty Dog Bag. The mess-free, easy way to quickly wrap, clean, and dry your dog. Simply place your pet, gently attach the collar, zip it up, and pad the mess away. It's that simple. Wet, dirty in, dry, clean out. The secret is in its thick, layered, super high-quality microfiber material that catches and absorbs all the wet mess, dirt, and hair. Use Dirty Dog Bag after a day at the beach or park. Ideal for snow and the outdoors. Great after a bath to easily dry your pet. It's perfect to use all year round. All the sand, the hair, the mud, the mess, it all stays inside the Dirty Dog Bag. Then shake it off and throw it in the washer. Dirty Dog Bag comes in a rainbow of colors that you will absolutely love. Happy pet, happy owner. Zip up the mess and enjoy your pets.